Today we're talking about why Baseline works and, more importantly, how it helps you break free from the cycle of expensive agency fees once and for all. If you ever felt stuck paying thousands a month for uncertain improvements, stay right here. By the end of this video, you'll see how Baseline's data-driven, user-friendly approach lets any store owner drive real results without massive development or design budgets. Hey there, it's Darjan Hren again, co-founder of Skuology. If you're an e-commerce entrepreneur, solopreneur, or just someone looking to supercharge your online store's growth, this video is for you. Let's start with what we're all thinking. Agencies can be pricey. I've been on the inside of that system, working with ad and crow agencies, design studios, and even 6 to 8 figure e-commerce brands. I've seen firsthand how the billing mounts up. A Shopify redesign could cost you anywhere from $10,000 to $50,000, depending on complexity and size. And on top of that, you have the development expenses as well. And here's the thing, it's not that agencies are inherently bad. Many do a fantastic job, but for solopreneurs and small business owners, huge retainers can kill your profit margins. Plus, anytime you need a small tweak, like adjusting a product page layout or adding a new CTA, you're back on the phone, scheduling dev time and racking up those extra fees. And the result? Delay, confusion, and frustration. You can't scale effectively because you're stuck in an endless loop of waiting on someone else. In an industry where speed, innovation, and agility are everything, that's just not sustainable. Here's why I bring the good news. Baseline. At Skuology, we've combined over 70 successful e-commerce projects, more than 100 million in revenue, and decades of combined crow experience to create something truly unique. You might be wondering, how does that help me? The short answer, we've already done the heavy lifting. We've tested and retested countless design elements, call to action placements, product page layouts, and cart flows. We've literally run hundreds of A/B tests to see what works best across various niches. This data-driven approach means you don't have to guess. Instead of paying an agency to conduct endless tests over months, you tap into Baseline's proven insights from day one. It's like having a seasoned conversion team on speed dial without the monthly invoice. So let's break down what Baseline actually is. Essentially, it's a complete web design and conversion rate optimization framework that you install right from the Shopify App Store. Crow optimized sections. You get ready-made templates built from top-performing design principles. It's mobile first and responsive. With mobile commerce booming, over 95% of e-commerce traffic can be on mobile. It's crucial your store looks and feels great in any device. Built-in best practices. Whether that's psychological triggers, social proof placements, or trust badges, we've done the research so you don't have to. No code customization. You don't need to be a developer. If you can click, drag and drop, you can customize Baseline sections. Think of Baseline like a kit of Lego blocks for your Shopify store. Every block is already verified to help increase conversions. You just assemble them in the way we tell you to do, in a way that suits your brand. Let's dive a bit deeper into the core pillars that make Baseline so effective. Number one, user centricity. Everything is designed with the customer's journey in mind. Pages load quickly, the navigation is intuitive, and the product info is clear, removing friction points that cause cart abandonment. Number two, data-driven decisions. Our framework isn't based on trends and fluff. We've combined data from successful e-commerce brands we worked with to refine these templates. Every element exists for a reason, validated by performance metrics. Number three, agile and fast. Because Baseline is a modular system of sections, you can tweak your store within minutes instead of waiting weeks. This agility is a game changer for launching new products or responding to market shifts. Imagine being able to build your landing page in 30 minutes. Number four, eliminating agency overhead. By bringing these tested templates and sections directly to you, we're cutting out the middleman. No more $10,000 design and dev contracts. Instead, you pay only for the premium Baseline sections starting at $10 or tools you actually need. Number five, continuous improvement. The e-commerce world doesn't stand still, and neither do we. Baseline receives constant updates in line with new research findings, ensuring your store remains on the cutting edge. You might be thinking, all right, it sounds good, but does it really work in practice? Absolutely. Let me share a quick example with a case study. Here's Andy's bodybuilding supplement store. Before, Andy invested in a custom website design from a web agency for a flashy, high-end team. Although the site looked nice, his conversion rate actually dropped from 2.1% to 1.7%, and he was shelling out $2,500 a month in retainer fees. After installing Baseline, Andy integrated our tailored recommendations, optimizing his product pages to highlight the performance benefits of his bodybuilding supplements, adding trust badges to showcase the product quality, and placing clear call to action buttons. Within 3 weeks, his conversion rate surged to 3.2%. He cancelled the costly retainer and redirected those savings into influencer and UGC marketing as well as our coaching. And the outcome? More supplement sales, greater brand exposure, and no hefty monthly bills. He increased conversion rates, he increased average order value, so the profitability increased as well. This is just one success story among many. What's crucial here is that Andy felt empowered. He could make changes himself with our community and coaching direction. That's what we mean by do-it-yourself e-commerce solutions. This way you'll be able to scale more, hire people, get help, save on your time and costs as well. Another huge reason Baseline works so well is that it's not just a normal Shopify app, it's supported by the entire Skuology community. We call ourselves Skuologists because we're always experimenting, sharing data and refining what we know. Whether it's a live Q&A, a behind-the-scenes audit of our own store, or a forum post where you can get peer feedback, you'll never be alone. If you get stuck, you can tap into our group of marketers, UX designers, developers, and fellow store owners for guidance. That sense of collaboration drives some of the fastest learning I've ever seen in e-commerce. Now, let's talk immediate action steps. If you're ready to see how Baseline can revolutionize your store, here's what you can do. Number 1, join Skuology for free. Head to our community hub, create a profile, and introduce yourself. You'll get instant access to basic resources, feedback, and updates. Number 2, install Baseline. Whether you're launching a new Shopify store or already have one, installing Baseline is as simple as a few clicks. Number 3, try our Crow checklist. Start with the Crow checklist Lite, 84 items. If you need deeper insights, consider upgrading to the Pro for 507 items. Use them to review your current store strengths and weaknesses. Number 4, tap into live support. Post questions, share your progress, and get feedback from experts in real time. By following these steps, you see how quickly you can implement changes without paying for an entire dev team or waiting months for an agency to schedule you in. For those that would rather pay than do it themselves, we have a done-for-you conversion-focused design service. You can sit back while we redesign your store based on our Baseline framework, so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. So there you have it, why Baseline works and how it's helping store owners everywhere break free from agency dependence. If this resonates with you, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and check the description below for links to Skuology and Baseline. We've got more videos on the horizon. Next up, we'll be diving even deeper into how to set up Baseline and start boosting conversions right away. You won't want to miss it. Until then, I'm Darjan Hren, reminding you that you can take control of your e-commerce journey with the right tools, the right data, and the supportive community. Keep optimizing, and I'll see you in the next video.